Go.
Right guys, welcome back to part 2. Now the sponge is in the oven, we'll do the sauce. So for the sauce we've got 110 grams of butter going into the pan. Just let that melt slowly. So let the butter melt. Yeah, look, see if you can see that. Ah, that's fine, you can see that good. So we'll let the butter melt, and then just let that melt over a slow heat. So we'll slowly let it melt, and then going into that, once it's melted, will be 175 grams of soft brown sugar. I prefer the Demerara sugar, it seems to taste better, but everyone's different. Any soft brown sugar will do. So slowly let that melt. So that's just melting fine, as you can see. So that's the butter melted. Now we'll slowly add the sugar. Oh, the smell, that sponge is just coming. Oh, I love sticky toffee pudding. So we'll just let that melt, let the sugar melt with the butter. In the recipe it does say to use 6 tablespoons of double cream, but honestly I just put in a whole tub, 270ml tub of double cream. I think the taste is just from my magic. Plus it gives you more sauce as well. So a lot of people, like my brother-in-law, would prefer extra sauce. So then we just stir that in. Still sounds pretty grainy, but don't worry about that. Once you've got your cream in, every bit of cream goes in. Every bit, it's up good. And then, this spatula with speed. Then we just pour in the cream. And it goes a whole lot. Too big for the tub. Smaller spoon. Then just yark that in. Get a whole lot in, every bit of cream in. Cream in. Now you can just see the colour change. Now you just keep stirring till all the sugar's melted. At this point I'll turn the heat up a wee bit, just to get a wee bit of a simmer and boil. Oh, oh, the smell. Just keep them in, stirring until you get up to a boil. Well, not even a boil, just a simmer. Just to get all the sugar melted. And then just give it a couple of minutes to simmer. And at this point you can't give it a wee taste just to see if, oh my god, just to see if it needs more cream or more sugar. But my, honestly, you can't beat the taste of it when it's right out the oven. Oh, look at that. How nice does that look? Oh, that is nice. So this is part 2. So come back for part 3 if you'd like, and you'll see the sponge come out of the oven and the sauce going over it and it getting eaten. Right out of the oven, you can't beat it. I also microwave mine. Freeze it and then microwave it. And it comes out perfect. It still tastes as good. Right guys, that's it for part 2. So come back for part 3 and you'll see the end result. Thanks.